representative from Creators Company, and you as one of our top users sa Beauty Bar soap, we are here para interviewin ka about your experience while using the soap. So, can I ask, ma'am, how is your experience with using the Beauty Bar?
So far, nice naman kay sa inyo ang kuwan pa lang maka-remove siya ka ng hyperpigmentation. Naka-experience ako nga sa mga elbow, okay lang.
Thank you, ma'am. It's nice to hear that. And what can you suggest, ma'am, about the soap? Kung sa paamo ma-develop na new mga features sa mga soap?
So, one of the top user man, di ba, sa inyong soap. Masuggest na ako kay for me na may back acne and suggest na ako para makontinue akong magamit sa inyong soap is mag-one para makalesen ko acne sa akong likod and hyperpigmentation.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your comment. I will assure you nga makaabot na sa mga company, makaabot na about anak so that we can develop the future na ma'am, no? So, thank you for being our interviewee today and nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Good day, the Creator Company. As we all know, we are here for our meeting. We're going to plan first. So after knowing the survey, we already know na kung saan needed na to i-target kaya itong mga target market, nihatag ng idea or nihatag na sila kung saan needed na i-improve sa atong product. So as we all know naman, need jud na to mag-base na sa atong mga target market. So after gathering all the information, kung saan may suggestion na inyo ika-provide?
Ako ma'am.
Okay, miss?
I suggest lang to, mag-focus po ta sa kana about sa back acne o sa kanang mga people nga sensitive po daw skin.
Okay, so that's a good suggestion, which is we need to improve our product by adding sa hypoallergenic. Sakto to, so nice. So another suggestion? Oh, miss.
Kana, I suggest good nga mas up ay kuan mag-ilista o cover sa itong soap para maka-attract ang more customer.
Okay, understand. So we need to improve the packaging in order to attract our customer niya. Mas maklaro nila jud unsa jud ang atong product or purpose itself. That's a good one, suggestion so far. Miss Kayla?
I also suggest ma'am na mag-create o mga scents sa soap para mga choices and option ang mga customer nga mo-avail ani nga soap.
Oh, sakto. Need jud nato na maghatag ta or mag-improve ta or mag-hatag scent. Okay, good. After all your suggestion is very useful jud kaayo in terms of improvement sa atong product. Okay, that's all our plan. Thank you guys for your cooperation.
Okay ma'am.
Thank you. Is it okay for you, ma'am, na mo ask kung si reason na nag-return ninyo ko ang product?
Pag open mo good na ko sa box na akong gi-order from your delivery is ang soap na ako na dawat is broken na and ang mga scents na akong pampili while ordering the product is dili mao. That's my concern.
Oh, thank you for the detailed information, ma'am. We feel sorry, ma'am, sa incident na naitabo sa pagdawat mo sa mga product. And it's our responsibility talaga, ma'am, na amo na siya ilisan since nasa terms and condition na while the deliver process ang tanang product, kaya mo po siya responsibility. Mas mo, ma'am, i-procure ba mo na kanang among refanan? Pero gusto mo kanaan, ma'am, through cash ba or through another product kaya
Yes, mas prefer ko sendan ako yung new set of products as the refund of my order.
Thank you, ma'am. And also, ma'am, we will give you 10% discount lang sa ma'am since you're loyal customer po na ma'am. Okay, ma'am, we will just chat you the detailed information in terms of ang refanan of another product. Thank you, ma'am. This is the owner of the Love Beauty Soap.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Now we're wrong.
So good day, Creators Company. So we are here for a meeting in order for us to start again a new planning season since kay kita na nato sa demand sa atong mga target market. As we all know, need po nato na mag-base to sa mga demand. Okay. Already see na demand job or suggest sa mga customer nato na maggamit ta og liquid. Ay ato i-turn atong soap bar into liquid. So, okay ba na ninyo? Kaya ba ni nato? Okay. So, in terms of budget, no need na. Wala na tayong problem, di ba? Okay, straight. So, I will ask a suggestion. Isa na yung suggestion there na maka-help or very useful.
Okay, nakoy suggestion ka na about it sa like daghan ay dito mag-focus sa usa ka kuan lang ka sa natutay lain-lain san pud ba kay para makapili pud ang mga customer. Then natay mga kanang like papaya, kanang berry, then ato na nakuha na naran pa na yung mga lain-lain kuan basta mga fruity lang po siya. Oh, that was impressive na mo-add tag another scent sa atong liquid soap, which is maka-attract din sa attention sa atong mga customer. So, napabay another na suggestion? Okay.
What if ato ang liquid soap ma'am is mura siya body scrub gani mag-add kita murag mga gagmay mga murag para scrub siya para perfect siya for exfoliating the skin.
Okay, that is also impressive suggestion. As we all know naman na karon kay daghang nagipang-add ng mga future or mga para creative or innovative na idea sa product. Sakto kaya scrub. No? Murag kuan jud siya no, murag new ni siya sa mga customer nato, mainggan yun ni sila jud. So, sa may lain na suggestion.
Ang suggest na nasa 250 ml para sa body scrub, tapos nasa 15 ml para sa travel size. Sa atong kuan.
Sakto. So we could say jud na dili na ta mag-focus sa 1 or jud na ml no or unsay sizes sa atong liquid product. Dapat we also consider na unsay may ganang mas useful or convenient sa atong mga customers. Sakto to. So all of your suggestion is very impressive. Then I will conclude na this meeting, I will conclude all of your ideas na kuan jud na gamit jud siya, nag-base dito sa mga demand or survey na gikan sa atong customer. And we will guarantee na kani atong gimitingan ma-add-on jud siya, walay makasanggang may buyer. Dapat diretso jud tani atong mga ipag-suggest may tabo jud sa atong kuan product. Di ba guys? So thank you. So the meeting will be adjourned. Thank you guys. Good day, ma'am. Excuse me, I would like you to inform that the 3 supplier are here. Is it okay to... Okay, thank you, ma'am. So the first supplier here is Miss Manzaneras, the supplier for the packaging or the bottle for liquid. And the second supplier, ma'am, is Miss Paraiso, the supplier for the scents. Please take your seat here, ma'am. And lastly is Miss Masangkay, the third supplier, which is the supplier for the scrub.
So, good morning everyone. So, nagpa-call meeting today because we are going to launch our new product and we need suppliers kaya wala pa naman kakontak ng mga suppliers for this new product. So, what we need is first kanong pumping bottle o kanang 15 ml na gagmay nga mga bottle. So, Miss Manzanaros, your company, we need help from your company. Is it okay nga kamo ang makasupply sa mga plastic bottles for the liquid soaps?
Yes, okay lang. Kaya naman yung mga supplier ron na available.
Okay, so we need it a week from now. Is it available na dayon?
Yes, pero ganun pa baka mo matanaw sa among bottle?
Yes, pwede.
So, may among sample for our 250 ml. And sa imong ikuan na 15 ml for travel size, ano siya? Pack yapon siya, but na siya cover para ma-avoid ang spill while traveling.
So, it's very nice. Ikaw, what do you think?
Oh, yes, mom.
Okay, so yes, mukuha kay Anino. Thank you. So, next is need na mo o new sets sa mga liquid soaps. So, Ma'am Paraiso, nga ba kayo masuggest na mga sets nga available ninyo that we can use for the coming week nga available na dayon?
Yes, ma'am. Na may scented o unscented. So, mauna yung scented nga mga kuantas. Ang unscented kay mauna yun. So, ang among bestseller, ma'am, is ang citrus. Pero maka-offer namin mo o mga strawberry or other scent, ma'am.
So, wait check sana po if na ba siya sa demand ang mga scents. So, okay ra. So, take me atong citrus, katong strawberry, blueberry, o kanang melon nga scents. So, kaya ra na within this week?
Yes, ma'am. Kaya ra.
Okay, good. So, next naman is, another feature is katong scrubs. Miss ka nang maka-provide ra ba mong supply sa scrubs this week?
Lo, ay nalay problem lang ba? Next week pa mahuman ang product. Okay ra niyo next week.
Next week, so week kay kanang need man jud naman siya nga ma-lunch with you this week. So, kontakon ra ka na mo if need na mo ang scrub or if dili na siya madala nga sa next week pa kay kinahanglan na jud naman siya ma-lunch with good. So, thank you ha. Ako ra ka kontakon niyo. Okay na sige. So, that's all. Mauro to our meeting. So, thank you everyone.
Thank you, suppliers. Good day. So I am here to report our inventory management. So far, after checking all of our inventories, I just find out, ma'am, na we already have the complete materials and our ingredients kay so far kay kuwangan pa ta. So I am here to tell you what are the needed na ipalit nato sa ng supplier. So we need kanang 400 box of scrub this month. Then we need also to add the 4 scents, which is the citrus, the strawberry, the blueberry, and the coconut. Then also, we need food ma'am sa kanang per packaging. We already kuha na day ma'am sa packaging na use na nato. So we need 4 boxes of bond paper and ink for our printer ma'am. So far, that's our one report for inventory management. So, thank you, ma'am. Good day to each and everyone here for our meeting. We are the Creators Company. So our meeting will be about sa atong costing before we will choose the price or the final selling price. As we all know, here in the graph our costing. So I already put na sa dira sa labor cost, part na siya dira, and also I already put sa kanang atong percentage for our profit. So sabot ra ba siya, ma'am and sir? Ma'am? Okay, we will move. Okay, so our final selling price is 50 pesos. So, kani siya before we think or find na kanang kani atong selling price kay we also consider our target market if kaya ba ni nila ma-afford. So, our price in our product is balanced. So, our price strategy is figuring out the real cost of their products, recognizing how our target market or our customer base react to our price structure provided. And we also establish by using scrutinizing the price of our competitors. So we need to follow the strategies in order for us to achieve a greater profit than decrease of our loss. So as we all know, we need to consider the real cost of our main ingredient for our product, and also consider our customer or our target market, and also consider our competitors. So that will be our price strategy or our meeting for our final price or selling price. So again, thank you, Creators Company. So we're done for this meeting. Okay, so we're here. We are the Creators Company. So this meeting is very important since we already have branches from different countries. Our company is expanding worldwide. So I am here first kay atong we discuss kay unsay performance sa atong company. As you can see here, from last year our performance is 30%, so we gain 30% for profit. And right now, ni-boost siya. So we already into 80% sa profit. So we can see na kanang atong business is successful din ang iyahang kuan, yung flow, your performance. So I would like to thank you guys. And also naka-plan pud ta na since dako naman natong company, we need also collaboration with the influencer. As we all know that influencer is very important since we will promote our business in terms to different platforms like social media. So we already find the perfect ambassador. So the perfect ambassador of the Love Beauty soap. So I choose Jean, the number one influencer in our country. Nice idea. So Jean already accept our request. And after knowing sa akong ambassador, also kay we finalize na magkuha na tag collaboration with other companies so that to make our process much more easier and convenience. Since our collaboration kay ipasok siya sa standard, which is kanang nindot siyang provide on time, then also yung mga product is good quality and makatipid ta, and kita ganong first discount since we are the first kanang kakulab niya. So she is Miss She is Miss Oren, and she is the owner or CEO or the. So she is Miss Oren, the owner or the CEO of the Scrubbies company. So, Ma'am, I would like to say thank you for accepting or allowing us to be your choosing collaborator. So this is my manager's terms. So thank you so much. So you can see here our meeting will be adjourned. Thank you guys.